Electric bikes under $500 are in high demand as commuters, students, and casual riders look for affordable, eco-friendly transportation. They're also appealing to typists, remote workers, and gamers who want a quick, low-effort way to recharge, run errands, or commute without physical exhaustion. Product number 1. Electric bike for adults. This electric bike for adults is a straightforward, entry-level e-bike designed for riders who want simple electric assistance without complicated features. It typically comes with a compact hub motor that provides smooth pedal assist, making it ideal for city commuting, campus rides, and short daily trips. Acceleration is gradual and controlled, which helps new riders feel confident and safe. The frame is usually made from lightweight steel or aluminum alloy, offering a good balance between durability and portability. While it doesn't feel premium, it holds up well for everyday use. The upright riding position reduces strain on the back and wrists, making it comfortable for office workers or gamers who spend long hours seated. Battery capacity is modest but practical, often supporting short to medium rides on a single charge. Charging is simple, and many models include a removable battery for added convenience. Basic mechanical disc or rim brakes provide adequate stopping power for urban environments. Product number 2. Electric bike for adults, alternative model. Another electric bike for adults in this price range usually targets slightly different needs, often emphasizing comfort and ease of maintenance. These models frequently include wider tires for better stability, making them suitable for uneven pavement or light gravel paths. The motor assistance is tuned for relaxed riding rather than speed. One standout feature is the low step or simplified frame design, which allows easy mounting and dismounting, great for daily commuters or riders wearing work clothes. The saddle is generally well padded, and handlebars are positioned to reduce fatigue during longer rides. Product number 3. DYU electric bike for adults, teens. The DYU electric bike for adults, teens is one of the most recognizable compact e-bikes in the budget category. Designed with portability in mind, it features a small frame and lightweight construction that makes it easy to store in apartments, offices, or dorm rooms. This makes it especially appealing to students and urban commuters. Despite its size, the DYU bike delivers impressive efficiency. The motor provides consistent assistance, and the battery is optimized for short city rides. While it's not built for long-distance touring, it performs well for daily commutes, quick trips, and leisure riding. The minimalist design keeps controls simple, with intuitive power settings that even beginners can master quickly. Ride comfort is decent for its class, though taller riders may find it less accommodating due to the compact geometry. Product number 4. Electric bike for adults, teens. This electric bike for adults, teens model focuses on versatility, bridging the gap between youth-friendly sizing and adult-level performance. The adjustable seat and handlebars make it adaptable for a wide range of riders, making it a good shared family option. Motor assistance is smooth and predictable, helping riders tackle gentle hills and longer rides with less effort. The frame design is practical and sturdy, capable of handling everyday commuting and recreational use. Wider tires add confidence and stability, especially for newer riders. Battery life is reasonable for the price, supporting daily rides without frequent recharging. Safety features like responsive brakes and front lights are often included, increasing visibility and control. This e-bike is a strong choice for families or individuals who want a flexible, affordable electric bike that suits both.
Product number 5. UR Life Folding Electric Bike for Adults. The UR Life Folding Electric Bike for Adults stands out for its compact folding design, making it perfect for commuters with limited storage space. The folding mechanism is easy to use, allowing the bike to fit in car trunks, closets, or under desks. Despite its portability, the UR Life bike offers respectable motor power and battery efficiency.
It handles urban terrain well and provides enough assistance for daily commuting. The ride is stable and the frame feels secure, even when unfolded. Comfort features include a padded seat, ergonomic grips, and shock-absorbing tires. While it's not built for off-road use, it excels in city environments. The folding design is especially useful for typists and gamers who want a convenient, low-effort way to get outside and stay active.